Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like having a super smart assistant for your money. AI can analyze huge amounts of data. It spots patterns humans might miss. In wealth management, this is a game changer. Traditionally, wealth management relied on human advisors. AI processes information faster. This revolutionizes wealth management. It's like having a tireless expert working for you. AI is transforming how we make investment decisions. Imagine trying to analyze the stock market. There are thousands of companies, each with its own complex data. It's overwhelming. AI thrives in this environment. AI algorithms can process massive datasets at lightning speed. These algorithms can identify subtle trends and correlations that human analysts might overlook. This allows AI to make highly informed investment recommendations. For example, AI can analyze a company's financial statements, news articles, and social media sentiment to assess its investment potential. This doesn't mean human intuition is irrelevant. Experienced financial advisors still play a crucial role. They understand their clients' individual needs and risk tolerances. AI simply provides them with powerful tools to make more informed decisions. This collaboration between human expertise and AI's analytical capabilities leads to smarter, data-driven investment choices. No two investors are exactly alike. Each person has unique financial goals and risk tolerance. AI excels at creating personalized investment strategies. AI crafts a portfolio tailored to your needs. A young investor might be comfortable with more risk. AI might recommend growth stocks. An investor nearing retirement might prioritize capital preservation. AI might suggest bonds and dividend-paying stocks. AI adjusts your portfolio as market conditions change. This level of personalization was unimaginable just a few years ago. Section 4. AI's predictive power navigating market trends and risks. Predicting the future is impossible, right? AI can't tell you exactly what the stock market will do tomorrow. However, it can analyze historical data and identify patterns that suggest future trends. This is incredibly valuable for managing risk. For example, AI algorithms can monitor news sentiment, social media trends, and economic indicators to identify potential market bubbles. By recognizing these warning signs early on, AI can help investors avoid significant losses. Conversely, AI can also identify undervalued assets that present opportunities for growth. AI also plays a crucial role in fraud detection. By analyzing transaction patterns and user behavior, AI can identify suspicious activity that might indicate fraud. This helps protect investors and maintain the integrity of financial markets. In essence, AI is like having a vigilant guardian constantly monitoring your investments and alerting you to potential threats or opportunities. Section 5. The future of AI in wealth management, a glimpse ahead. The potential for AI in wealth management is vast and still unfolding. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in the financial world. Imagine AI-powered robo-advisors that provide personalized financial advice 24/7. These robo-advisors could handle everything from budgeting and saving to complex investment strategies. We might see the rise of AI-driven hedge funds that leverage machine learning to generate market-beating returns. AI could also revolutionize financial literacy by providing personalized financial education to people of all ages and backgrounds. The future of AI in wealth management is not about replacing human advisors entirely. Instead, it's about creating a powerful synergy between human expertise and AI's analytical capabilities. By embracing this collaboration, we can unlock unprecedented levels of financial well-being for everyone. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution in finance. The integration of AI into wealth management is not a science fiction fantasy, it's happening right now. AI is transforming how we make investment decisions, manage risk, and plan for the future. While some might view AI with skepticism or even fear, it's essential to remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, its impact depends on how we choose to use it. By embracing the potential of AI while remaining mindful of its limitations, we can harness its power to create a more prosperous and equitable financial future for all. The future of wealth management is here, and it's intelligent.